everyone, my name is Andrea and this is my brother Ben, and today we're going to show you how to make homemade vanilla extract. Okay, it's really simple and it will change the way all of your dishes taste. Like everyone who has your cookies or your pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving is going to be like, oh my gosh, what's that? And I'm like, it's your homemade vanilla extract. Okay, so here we go. Ben is cutting up some whole vanilla beans. These are actually really common to find in grocery stores now, but he's gonna cut these in half and he's gonna kind of scoop a little bit of that inner vanilla out of that bean. So once he gets these cut and scooped, we're gonna stick them in. You're gonna want like a glass jar with kind of like a lid on that you can just kind of put on top. This was $2 on Hobby Lobby, so they're really cheap to get. All right, then I'm gonna take these. We're gonna get them down in this jar. Here we go. Put them in the jar, and then you're gonna get yourself some fun stuff. We've got a little bit of Jack Daniels here, but any gentleman will do. Pour this right in you're gonna wanna go probably about 3/4 full, not entirely full. There, just about that, just about 3/4 full. We're gonna go to cap this, and you're gonna shake this every day for 30 days. That way the alcohol will break down the flavors in that vanilla. So just shake every day. Like you're going out, you're going to work, you're going to the store, you're gonna grab that bottle and shake it. 30 days later, you're gonna have homemade vanilla extract. You can put it in your chocolate chip cookies, you can put it in your pumpkin pie, and this is gonna last a really long time. I do about 1,000 chocolate chip cookies off of this bottle. So it's gonna last you a really long time. Great holiday gift. Ben, would you like this for Christmas?
Yeah, I think I'd rather have something else, but that's okay.
Oh, okay. Well, it could make a great holiday gift, just not for Ben. Thanks, guys. Take care.